Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Goodreads app to read book on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Goodreads app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the app, tap the search bar at the top, then type the name of the book you want to read. Tap on the title page and go to its books page. If the book you are interested in, tap want to read to add it to your reading list. Sometimes you will see a button that says read now. Tap that and Goodreads will send you to the Kindle app or Amazon website. To actually read the book, you will need an app like Apple Books or another ebook app. If you have the Kindle app installed, you can buy or borrow the book from Amazon and read it there. And that's it. While Goodreads doesn't let you read full books inside the app, it's a great way to discover new books, track your readings, and link to apps like Kindle to actually read them on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.